Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in again to my channel. I am Paris Hart. I am just coming to you today very quickly, as it does state down below in the title. I got a new package, special delivery. I have been looking to try some new colors when it comes down to eyeshadow. I've been really scared. I normally do real neutral kind of. If I don't do any eyeshadow, then I'll do like the golds, the smoky eyes, maybe try a little color every now and again. But I got a new palette and I wanted to show this to you guys. It's gonna be, we're gonna open it together and we're gonna definitely check out the colors. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have seen this palette on Instagram, also on YouTube as well. It has definitely been popular because from the colors, I mean, it looks like it's popping. So without further ado, let's go ahead. So it came in the mail actually yesterday. The shipping probably only took a few days to get here, and yeah, it was very quick. It didn't take too long. I'd probably say maybe the most was 3 or 4 days. Boom. Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and open this together and check out the colors. Like I said, it's definitely not gonna be a long video at all. It came in this really cute packaging, has the sleeve, and then it has the same print on the front. Check this out, check this out. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty and so vibrant. I'm like kind of scared. It has a really nice mirror at the top. But yeah, so I just wanted to pull out a few of these colors and see. Definitely with being a woman of a color, trying these colors is really hard sometimes because they might not be pigmented enough for our skin tone. You always can use a base, and as long as you blend, it's definitely going to be okay. So I'm going to pick out a few colors. I'm going to take I'm going to take some of the pinks and just show you guys how pigmented. I do have to take a couple passes just to get them on there. I don't have anything on my hand. So those are just 3 of the pinks. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. I would use my arm and just show you everything if I didn't have tattoos on there. I'm right-handed, so it's a little difficult. Yeah, I know if I had like some eyeshadow primer or a base, this would be so much easier. No worries, we'll make it work. Look at that. Crazy, crazy. All right, so I'm just gonna try maybe these blues and these purples, and that'll be it. It's 2018. I say, why not go for it? I'm not one to do anything like overly dramatic, but switching it up and doing something different, I mean, why not? If you don't like it, what do? You take it off and you do it again. Look at those colors. And like I said, I have no primer on, no base, no nothing. I mean, that's very pretty. So I'm definitely thinking about doing some kind of look, not exactly for sure what, but I definitely want to use this palette. Like I said again, There's some very vibrant colors in here that are a little intimidating, but I mean, definitely, I think that they can make a very good look. I'm sorry, like I said, I was only gonna do a few colors, but I just look at them, I'm just like, man. Okay, 3 more. Look at that. These are super pigmented. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. So I actually, when I purchased that palette, it was on sale. I think they had a 30% off sale or something like that. And if you shopped at BH Cosmetics, you do know that they have sales running all the time. So I'm pretty sure, you know, you can catch it at a decent price. I think it's like regularly priced at $16.99. But I would definitely suggest to go ahead and get that palette. It's something to have. Even if you don't use it now, I'm sure that you'll probably use it at some point in time. I can't wait to use it. I'll definitely make sure that if I don't do a tutorial, I'll put a picture up of me doing that. Make sure you go and follow me on my social media also, so you can stay up to date when I do post that. My Instagrams, I have 2. It's at ME by Paris Hart. Make sure that they're listed down below, and also I am _ Paris Hart. Thank you so much again for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. Like I said, just wanted to share with you that beautiful palette that I just recently got in the mail. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, give me thumbs up, and also share it on, you know, in a text message, share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram. Just make sure that you guys share. I'm here for you. If you want to see me do any type of videos, if you have any suggestions, any comments, or anything like that, make sure that you use them below. I'm new to YouTube, but I'm more than willing and open for advice. So thank you again, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.